It's been really scary here. There's a puddle right there. There's some dark clouds right there, and people are shaking, people are scared, and it's gonna rain out. They don't know what's going on, they don't know how to deal with this. Uh-oh. Let's get under this overhang. I don't know how else people are watching the game today with this rain.
Discretion of the umpires at this point, you know, if they want to stop the game or not.
It's going to be a legit game to finish this half inning, isn't it?
I mean, we could finish this at the Dome, right? Anybody want to go to the Dome and just finish this out?
It's probably still set up for monster truck, right?